Number 1. Create plugins. A lot of websites out there in the internet use WordPress and Shopify to create blogs, company websites, and e-commerce platforms. These comes with a huge market for plugins, which are basically custom additional functionalities for websites. And especially WordPress plugins are high in demand. If you think there is a tool or functionality that's missing from one of these platforms, you can write it yourself. To monetize the plugin, you can make it premium and charge users directly, or you can make it free and earn through ads and donations. Number 2. Udemy. Because of the rise of paid, user-generated content sites such as Udemy, offering online courses is an appealing source of revenue. People will pay you for your knowledge on these platforms, whether it's an introduction to a programming language or a step-by-step project lesson. Udemy gets a commission percentage for each course sold as a marketplace, but it's a reasonable trade-off because you can get your courses in front of far more people than if you tried it alone. Selling courses has the advantage of creating a passive income stream. You can make money without actively working on anything. Depending on the success of your course, it can also help you establish yourself as an industry leader. Students can message the course developers with questions or comments, which may necessitate updating course content. This is especially important for programming lessons, because programming languages are frequently changed and your course could quickly become obsolete if it's not updated. Number 3. Freelancing. Both Upwork and Fiverr are freelancing marketplaces where you can build a free profile and be spotted by many businesses looking for freelance work. You can also contact companies who post project proposals. You can set your own fee and the platforms will take a percentage of it. The disadvantage of these platforms is that freelancers, particularly new ones, would reduce their price in order to get clients. As a result, there is a race to the bottom, in which people dramatically undervalue their work in order to get any jobs at all. Just keep in mind that this is a worldwide platform. Competing with someone from a low cost of living country is nearly impossible. They can charge a fraction of what you would need to charge to make a good living. But don't let it stop you from joining. Once you have a few reviews, you will be shown more frequently in the dashboard, and these leads will come to you. Number 4. YouTube. Many creators may make a living from their work on YouTube. You can generate programming videos and start a tech channel. However, popular programming videos include lectures about high-level computer science topics and what to expect from coding interviews. You can monetize each video with Google AdSense. Number 5. Quora. Quora is the most popular Q&A website, where you can ask questions and get answers from top experts. Do you know you may earn money by asking and answering other people's questions? Sounds awesome, huh? You can begin publishing spaces in Quora. Quora allows you to build your own publication, spaces, and another developer will join your space and answer other people's questions or submit articles. You may now make money using the freshly introduced Space Partner program. Number 6. Coding contests. Coding contests are an excellent method to earn money for your coding abilities. The winners of most contests get considerable monetary rewards. Top Coder, Code Chef, HTML5 contest, and Calling All Innovators are some of the most prominent coding competitions. However, there are undoubtedly more. There are 3 areas of competition: data science, development, and design. Top coders solve real-world problems for 2,000 worldwide clients, while competing in single-round competitions that emphasize both talent and pleasure. So why not enter a few contests and see how you fare? You are paid a lot for winning, just as in boxing. Aside creating a nice financial injection into your bank account, Contests like Top Coder include online programs that emphasize networking, which can be very important. So not only you get big money from wins, you also get to learn from other top participants by seeing their code. And you get to mingle with big companies searching for the top talent in coding. Number 7. Blogs. If you enjoy communication through writing, you may put your skills to use by creating blog entries about how to handle coding challenges. It's another technique for a coder to break out from routine. Although monetizing your blog might be a long-term endeavor, it's worth a shot, especially if you enjoy writing. Aside from making direct revenue, blogging about coding might lead to online cooperation with other programmers. However, you do not need to run a blog to publish code articles online. Some established publications may pay you to contribute to their blog. You can reach out to a handful of them online once you have polished your technical writing skills and your ability to simplify complicated issues via writing. Number 8. Ebooks. If you are an expert in a certain programming language and know how to string words together to create a teachable curriculum, it's definitely time to sell an ebook. Many beginners as well as experienced programmers prefer such publications since they are more accessible and useful when needed. When you publish such publications, you should think about marketing them to your target audience using social media. You can sell them through websites like Amazon, eBay, or Bookfinder. However, unlike their solid counterparts, ebooks have the potential to reach more people. Number 9. Develop mobile apps. You can develop mobile apps and upload them on different marketplaces like the Play Store and Apple Store, for example. By integrating ads on your mobile app, you can earn a good amount of money. Top most popular ad company which you can use is AdMob from Google. Develop a useful mobile app for Android or iPhone and upload it on any marketplace. Once you get some users, you will get money when every user sees ads on your app, or create in-app purchases for users. With that being said, that was it for the video, and if you liked it, please let me know in the comments, and just do me a favor and subscribe to this channel so you keep on track. By the way, here are some videos which you may find interesting, so if that's the case, please check them also out and subscribe, and thank you for watching and see you in the next one.